In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chat group in Microsoft Teams, a powerful tool for organizing conversations in professional and personal settings. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their communication, whether you're collaborating with colleagues, planning an event with friends, or just organizing a group chat. Let's dive straight in and keep it simple, easy, and straightforward. First, you'll want to open up Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is a versatile platform that combines work and collaboration into a single hub, and accessing it is as easy as opening your browser and typing in the URL, or using the app on your desktop or mobile device. Once Microsoft Teams is launched, take a moment to ensure that you're logged into your account. You'll need your credentials here, your email and password, to access your Teams environment. Now that you're in Microsoft Teams, look towards the left-hand side of the interface. You'll see various icons, and your destination here is the chat icon. It's usually represented by a speech bubble and is located right above where you'd typically find your Teams, calendar, and other essentials. Clicking chat will lead you into the realm of conversations, whether individual or group-based. Within the chat section, your next move is to create a new conversation. You'll find the New Chat button at the top left of the chat panel. Clicking New Chat opens a new window where you can start gathering your group members. Here, you have a few options. You can type in the name of the person if they're already included in your contacts list, or you can enter an email address or even a phone number if that's how you'd prefer to connect with them. As you start typing, Microsoft Teams will provide suggestions based on your current contacts and past interactions, which can save you time if you're often in touch with these people. Add as many participants as you'd like for your group chat. Once you've got your team assembled, there's a little aesthetic step you might find quite handy: renaming your group chat. Click on the edit icon next to the participants list and give it a unique name that's recognizable for everyone involved. This is especially helpful for multiple group chats, preventing any confusion that might arise from ongoing conversations. And there you have it. You've created a brand new chat group in Microsoft Teams. With an organized group chat, everyone involved can easily share messages, files, and even hold video meetings, all in one convenient location. This setup is particularly beneficial for both small teams and larger organizations, ensuring communication is seamless and efficient. So go ahead and start your conversation. Microsoft's versatile interface and integrated features are designed to maximize productivity and clarity. I hope this guide has been helpful and you're now ready to make the most out of your chat groups in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.